Good evening, race fans. Cougar Strong Racing's 999 team from Long Cane Middle School in LaGrange, Georgia, has been making waves in the GreenpowerUSA F24 Intermediate Modified Division. With their eyes set on Talladega, this team has demonstrated outstanding engineering, teamwork, and determination. This is the Cougar Strong Racing 999 team, and this is their road to Talladega. Now we go live to our reporter in on the action at the Cougar Strong Racing Garage. LT Lassiter, take it away.
Thank you, Curtis. I'm here at the Cougar Strong Racing headquarters, where students have spent months fine-tuning car 999, preparing for the intense competition ahead. This team has been preparing for this season by ensuring the F24 is ready to compete. Anytime they are not working on their car, they're working on their team presentation for their next race. At the beginning of the school year, the Cougar Strong Racing team prepared a sponsors luncheon to bring in new sponsors to help fund their race season. But preparation is only part of the journey. The real test happens on the track. Let's take a look at how Cougar Strong Racing performed during the 24-25 race season.
Throughout the season, we have competed in 7 total races, only needing 4 to qualify for Talladega. Of those 7, we have been very consistent, placing second or better. Throughout the season, we have faced much adversity, pushing our skills and strategy to the limit. Each race presented unique challenges, tight corners, battery conservation, and head-to-head competition with top teams from across the country.
Over the course of the season, we have learned many significant lessons like teamwork and attention to detail. For example, to prevent anything going unnoticed on the car, we have a pre-race checklist and everyone on the pit crew involved.
At the beginning of our race season, we encountered many obstacles at Chocolaca Grand Prix in Oxford. On the starting grid of our second heat, our driver reported the car had no power. It had been then realized that our gear sprockets were missing line and the chain tension was way too tight. Our battery cables were also on the wrong terminals. So unfortunately, this kept us off the track for 30 minutes until we fixed the problem. We still managed to come in 4th place overall. This was a humbling experience for our team, and we made sure to learn from it to prevent this from happening again.
At the beginning of the race season, our initial goal was to win first at Talladega. We quickly realized that this would be no easy feat. It took everyone working to pull this off. Our initial strategy was to make sure everyone understood their role and the pit crew was determined to maximize our performance on race day, and to go over every presentation rubric with a fine-tooth comb and everyone involved before we submit it to make sure it's the best it can be.
Adaptation and teamwork were key. After each race, the team analyzed their performance, made adjustments, and came back stronger. Their hard work paid off with impressive finishes and valuable lessons that will prepare them for Talladega. These images tell the story of dedication and perseverance. From the garage to the racetrack, every moment captures the passion of Cougar Strong Racing. Whether it's fine-tuning mechanics or making split-second race decisions, Cougar Strong Racing continues to push the boundaries of student-driven engineering.
Thank you, LT. Cougar Strong Racing's story is one of hard work, innovation, and resilience. We'll be cheering them on now as they take on Talladega. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Good night.